Get up.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's go!
Dude! You got tape on you? I know you carry tape. God damn! Get that. Get this off.
Yep.
Oh. Dude, that is rocking. Alright. Oh my god. Get up. Just sit on her. Sorry. Sit on her. You can walk this a little bit? Sorry.
Thank you so much, Amy.
Jake, you need some tape. Hang on. I'm always the holder. I'm never the taper.
That's perfect.
Dude.
Thank you so much. You helped me so.
3, 2, 1, see ya. Okay. Fucking A. Shred of my fucking campy. Yeah. Shit. Shit. Fuck.
Replacing my parents' TV with a new one.
Dude, are you out of your fucking mind? Dude, come and replace it. I can't believe you did
Calm
it.
down.
My TV.
I got two new
Are you out of
ones.
your
I
fucking
got
mind?
two new ones.
Where?
I got
Give me a new one now.
I
Give
got
my-
you one. I got you one.
I can't believe you don't do
It's
that.
a prank. I have a brand new one. I already have it.
I think it's big. It's definitely big.
Yeah, say thank you.
Martha, shut up! Martha, shut up!
Hey!
Martha!
Don't hit the baby. I'm going to call the police. You don't hit a baby.
Yo, you got a kid, bro? I've been trying to like practice taking care of her and shit. Like I'm covering her from people because she gets scared, but like I don't know what to do, bro.
You got a bottle?
Nah, no. Can you shut up? Damn. I'd be like tapping her and shit.
Tapping too hard, man.
Really?
Yeah, man. God damn.
Dumbass baby. I'm tired of this shit. Got your ass. I'm just fucking around, bro. That's a baby. Damn. She is all yours. I cannot do this anymore. Dude, it's too stressful.
It's not too stressful. Come on. No, don't do that. How are you gonna kill the child?
Yeah, because I don't. It's abortion. Abortion's legal now.
How are you gonna do that? Be vigorous.
Wait, I see. What the? Here, you can have her. Her name's Martha. Look at this.
That's cute. Can I have
This
her?
is cute.
She's cute.
This is an ugly ass baby.
No, don't say that. She's Don't cute. say that.
Oh, so cute.
How are you gonna do that?
Isn't this what you guys do?
No.
Whoa, that can't be operational. Somebody must have taken a bite. Jackie Kennedy, who? Looks like they're packing up the ride. I think they're doing maintenance. This thing cannot be. Oh my god, are those people? Wait, I have to tell someone. Hold on, wait. They said it was part of the ride. I don't know what that means. They are literally going to start the ride. What? What? There's no way. There is no way. There is no... What? What are they doing? Don't they see the giant gap in the track? Like, you're telling me it's going to go over that. Like, what? Okay, should I avert my eyes? This is actually pretty scary. I can't believe they're running this. Oh my goodness. No. Oh my goodness.
No. Well, he could. Look at that. Oh my god.
I'm so amazed right now.
Jesus.
It's okay, Tyler. It's okay. Yeah, that little saw blade. Look at that paw.
That's a big cougar.
I'm so glad my cat's not here.
Yes, that is a good thing.
Oh my God, it does look like my cat though, doesn't it?
Yeah, you see, they have that same sort of, he has that same jowl and face. Like he looks like.
Holy f.
Yeah, your cat's a little hunter.
Jesus.
Does he know that that's glass?
I don't think so. She says go upstairs.
I'm going.
Holy, are you photographing that?
Yeah, I'm filming the whole thing.
Holy, that is. Yeah, go upstairs. I don't know what's to do actually.
Do you have a hammer and a few other weapons?
Yeah, they're all over there.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to go over there?
No,
Okay.
just.
But he can get up the stairs, can't he?
Well, Jesus. Yeah, it is. Go photograph him up there. Don't open the door.
No.
Did you make some noise?
Yes, but close the bedroom window upstairs. Just here. Oh, there's that. Just.
That is amazing.
In all my years, I have never in my life seen a cougar here.
No, I'm scared to get out of here.
Me too, actually. That's, I mean,
That's me.
I mean, that's incredible. I'm just, yeah. Jesus.
Where is he, Mike?
He's right here. I'm just looking at him. We're having a stare off.
Here is the full video.
Holy freaking crap! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No way! Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh! It's a pine steak! Yes! Oh yes! Holy crap! Hello there! Do you have anybody else with you? Oh my freaking... Oh! That is the dream come true. Oh my gosh. Do you have the whole thing in video? Yep. That's oh! Almost got my face. That is amazing. Let me make sure there's not like another one in there somehow. I mean, I doubt it, but I'm getting greedy now, but oh my gosh! Holy crap! Yeah, this is definitely coming to the reception with me, and I'm putting him back later because
Aaron!
Can't do anything about it, babe. That whole thing.
be under the bed. Bro, what do you mean under the bed? Just go, check. Bro, there's nothing under there. There's gotta be something under there. Bro, there's nothing. Yeah! Oh my god! Oh! Something just grabbed my foot, bro. Dude, what do you mean? What's under here, dude? No. What the? Okay, I'm out.
Please come with me.
Let's go!
Babe, have you seen my watch? Babe! Something's under the bed, babe! I swear something's under the bed!
My computer's...
Dad! Daddy! Oh, yeah.
What are you doing? Stop. What is this for exactly?
157 inches.
Okay, stop. I don't know what you have on your agenda with the measuring tape.
141 1/4 inches.
What's this for?
Mom, let me help you with the dishes.
Hey Mom, do they have any apples left?
You want this one?
No, it's okay. Mom, let me put these back. Could you hand me the protein powder?
I don't know if you saw, someone commented that the kitchen looks so messy.
Did I say that I loved you today?
Give me a hug.
Why are you and your brother being weird?
Did I tell you that I loved you today?
Yes.
Alright, let me tell you again.
Okay.
Pink is such a nice color on you.
Busted.
We have 4 for green, 3 for blue. Green takes it.
You're in my fucking seat, old man. Don't make me move you. Dad, I backed into your truck.
Son of a bitch, seriously?
Coming in, that's all rain out there and lightning, and this parasailer's stuck. It's so windy they can't reel him in. Oh dude, if it snaps, look, dude, he's gotta be scared. See everybody panicking, trying to help. Damn, he's going. Oh shit! Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey. Dude. They just lost that dude.
He looked like he was about to start running.
Whoa. That's just it over there. He's using
Yeah.
Look at him. That thing's straight butt. Like what? Look at him. Oh.
He's an eye, like
Silverback? Is that there? Silverback? Whoa, man! Whoa! Holy, holy, that car's flying! What the? What the?
Babe, oh my God, babe, look, babe, hurry up. I gave you a makeover. You gonna love it. You gonna love your makeover. Get up, go see this makeover.
Did you come?
I'm trying to make you look like him.
Oh my God!
Look.
Oh my God! What the fuck?
Yo, Marty, wake up, bro. Wake up, look at this shit. Oh, look at it, bro. Open your eyes and look at it.
Why are my eyes closed but I can see?
You can't see, your eyes are closed. Open them.
I'm opening them. What's wrong?
Nothing.
The black bear suddenly fell straight down from a height of 50 meters, at a time when people were confused as to whether there was any hope for its survival. The black bear was searching for food in the dense forest, and the hunter, who was at the top of a large tree, was startled to see the black bear suddenly appear at his feet. The hunter never expected that he would be spotted by the black bear, but he had to remain calm to avoid angering the bear. The black bear weighed about 800 pounds, and its huge paws could easily knock the hunter down, which made the hunter feel very dangerous. The black bear was very curious about the hunter overhead, and both sides sized each other up to assess each other's fighting ability. Fortunately, the hunter's pre-positioned equipment played an important role. After some attempts, the black bear did not climb to the hunter's side, but still showed great excitement. After observing the situation around him, the bear climbed directly to another large tree nearby, showing that he is a very fast climber. In a short time, the bear was only one step away from the hunter, which made the hunter feel the pressure. The hunter prepares the weapon in his hand just in case something happens. At the same time, the hunter let out a loud shout to show his momentum. The hunter knows that at such a close distance, if he misses, disaster will happen. Perhaps the black bear also realized that the hunter in front of him was not easy to deal with, and instead of striking, the bear climbed down the tree in a smooth manner. However, the black bear's stickiness prevented it from fleeing the scene in time, causing itself to face serious consequences. Just as the black bear ran to another tree in the distance in search of food, the hunter finally struck. The hunter's anesthetic caused the black bear to feel pain, and it quickly made its way up the large tree. Despite its size, the bear could climb the tree much faster than it thought possible, and it found what it thought was the safest place to hide. However, this move pushed the bear to the end of its life. The effects of the drug caused the bear to lose strength, and it eventually fell 50 meters from the tree to the ground.
Último tiro mesmo, último tiro. Caralho, mano.
Because...
This kid took my last dollar SMH.
아, 이거 어지러워.
나이스.